Today we're going to be talking about ABODE. Both of us have been using ABODE in our homes for several months now. It's a great DIY self-monitoring security system with optional professional monitoring and plenty of compatible devices for advanced home automation. Here are some of our favorite devices by category. Links will be in the description below, along with the link to all ABODE websites that lists every device that works with their hubs. We recommend either the Schlage or Kwikset Z-Wave compatible smart lock. Be sure to check out our previous comparison videos, which shows installations of both. LIFX is our top choice for lighting. We also tested Aeotec and the Philips Hue, but we love the LIFX compatibility with this. Let's check it out in action. Both Aeotec and the Philips Hue line of lighting are also a great fit for the ABODE. Dome makes a great water leak detection and valve shutoff system that works great with ABODE. We highly recommend. ABODE offers a full line of window and door and motion sensors, which we highly recommend. They integrate seamlessly with their own system. For dimmers and switches, look at Z-Wave versions from GE and Jasco. Our favorite ABODE compatible Z-Wave smart plug is Dome, and our favorite thermostat is the ecobee. ABODE also has button controllers, which work very well with their own system. Thanks for watching. We hope this has been beneficial. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can see our content on a weekly basis every Tuesday and Thursday.